Hello, everybody. My name is Naveen Chandra. I'm happy to announce you the launch of Sharepa application, which is a step-by-step user guide for using IDEMIA biometric access control terminals. Now, assume that you have IDEMIA terminals and you have no clue what to do. And here is the Sharepa application that gives you all the basic information just by few clicks of your fingertips. Here we go. Let's launch the application, go inside. What you can access within the application is you have access to opening of the box, product leaflet, product brochures, installation of Morpho Manager, installation of client server, IP configuration, OSTP, standalone controller, Morpho Manager, express configuration, and advanced configuration. Now for example, let's go to IDEMIA product brochure. I can have the product brochure information. If I go to product leaflet, I can have access to basic guide for system setup, leaflet for Vision Pass. For example, if I go to Vision Pass and I have access to product leaflet and all the basic information. Now, let's take an example. I want to configure Sigma device in standalone controller mode. I go to standalone controller mode. I can see the basic overview. I can go to installation setup. I can choose SDAC wiring sample for Sigma Light series with push button. I click here and it's giving me all the basic information what I need to do to set up a system. Interestingly, the most important part of the application is the Morpho Manager Advanced Configuration. If you go to Morpho Manager Advanced Configuration, you can primarily select the type of device that you are going to using. So for example, you are using Sigma Light device. You can select the model that you are using. You can select the two controller mode. If you are using standalone, you can select standalone. You can primarily select the card type that you're going to use. You can select the authentication mode. So for example, I select this one. You can select bit structure and template location. And when you click on search, you have the selection overview. You can click on installation step. So here you can see step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see 8 steps. So within 8 steps, you can set up your system. So let's see what's there in step 1. If I click on step 1, it's asking me go to device profile section, click on administrator, click on biometric device profile. Okay, let's zoom into the image what it's showing. So it's showing me to administrator, biometric device profile, and click on add. That's very good. I can do that in my system. And then next. So each section is telling you what you need to do within your software. And at the end of the first step, it is asking you to go to step 2. And once here, you can see that once you finish step 1, you can see that step 1 is having a tick mark, which means step 1 is completed. And similarly, you can go to step 2 and you can see that you have to go into biometric device profile and click on add. And then on next, you have to put device IP address, select the hardware device category, device name, etc. And you go to step 2. So you can see by finishing each step, you have to go to next step. And similarly, you will have to finish 8 steps for this particular device and your system is set up. So that easy it is. It's now completely easy to set up your system with IDEMIA terminal. If you have still some issues, you can go to need help. You can talk to our support centers based on your region. You can talk to Asia Pacific team. You can talk to Canada, Europe team, and you can have complete assistance from IDEMIA side. And we will add more information within the Sharepa application. Keep using it, and thank you for your time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.